Have you ever wondered if you could hit the jackpot by copying a successful business? Well, I certainly did. I copied a SaaS that makes 40K in monthly recurring revenue. So buckle up, I'm about to spill all the juice and share the lessons learned. Listening to podcasts like My First Million and folks like Rob Willing and other SaaS gurus talk about copying a successful business, it struck me. Maybe originality isn't the only path to success. Maybe, just maybe, I could take an existing idea, give it a little tweak, and ride the wave of someone else's success. At least that's what I thought. From that point on, I established a criteria to copy a business only if it ticks all these boxes. 1, it shouldn't be complex and beyond my ability to execute. 2, it should be fairly simple with no more than 2 to 4 features, basically a micro SaaS. 3, it should have some traction, showing a good amount of MRR. 4, it shouldn't be in an oversaturated market like BioLink. So I started scouring the internet for that golden business idea to kickstart my SaaS project. After months of searching via Indie Hackers, Reddit, Twitter, and podcasts, especially Indie Hackers podcast and MFM, I stumbled upon a business that was simple, profitable, and in not an oversaturated market. Essentially, it fits all the criteria that I defined. But boy, I was damn wrong. It wasn't as smooth as riding someone else's success as I had envisioned. There were many hidden challenges that weren't visible from outside that impacted me heavily on personal level. But regardless, I bought the domain, I chose the tech stack, and started the journey. 4 months later, I had my MVP rolled up. By now, you are probably wondering what the heck the project is even about. It's called Wishlist, a privacy-first wishlist platform for creators. It's like an Amazon wishlist but private, and you can receive a cash donations for your wishes as well. I launched and started looking for customers, but then I hit all the unknown. First, I didn't know that the majority of their users are adult content creators, OFB. Second, it was insanely difficult to reach out to them. You have to compete with all the Sims. Plus, I sucked at marketing as well. Third, the one that I hated the most was looking at their pages filled with every day. Twitter became unusable for me. I switched it to Instagram to reach out to them there. And this is what my Insta ended up looking like. Fourth, online payment processors are crazy tough on any business that deals with adult content because they classified it as a high-risk business. Not too long after launching the project, 3 months in, I got 20-something customers. I made $2. Despite my friends urging me to give it more time, I decided to shut it down. Why? Well, reaching out to creators is really difficult if you are not in the industry, and I just can't look at an explicit content all day long. If you can overcome these barriers, reach out to me and we can figure out a deal that would satisfy both of us. Alright, what are the lessons learned? First, success stories aren't one size fits all. Just because a business thrives, that doesn't mean it's your golden ticket. Second, know your market inside out. Understand your customers and how to reach out to them. 3, you don't need to copy a business. Find something, analyze it, and do something different. Lastly, and most importantly, passion matters. Previously, when I heard that, I didn't believe it. But doing something that isn't aligned with your interests or values is just a recipe for disaster. In the end, it's not just about the idea, it's about the execution, the passion, and the willingness to go all in. So the next time you are eyeing a successful business, run yourself through all of these checklists, and above all, stay true to yourself. Peace.